Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the water is off and the bowl is empty. Remove the toilet and lift it clear so you can work. Next, unbolt any closet bolts and use a reciprocating saw with a metal blade to cut the corroded cast iron flange away from the hub and fasteners. Take care to avoid nicking the soil pipe. Once done, clean debris, probe the pipe for rot, and confirm the flange plane matches the finished floor level before continuing. You now prepare the soil pipe to accept the new flange. Deburr the cut edge, remove corrosion, and dry fit a rubber or PVC adapter so it seats fully. Measure the pipe depth relative to the finished floor. This determines whether you need a spacer or a flange with built-in height adjustment. Once you've selected the right adapter, tighten stainless steel worm clamps evenly to compress the rubber, making a watertight seal. Make sure the flange sits flat and the bolt slots align with the toilet outlet. You install the replacement flange by anchoring it to the subfloor with appropriate screws or anchors. Ensure it's centered and the bolt tabs face the toilet. Place a wax ring or wax-free gasket on the flange, lower the toilet straight down onto the bolts, and hand start washers and nuts. Then torque evenly to compress the ring without cracking porcelain. Reconnect water, run several flush cycles, and check for leaks. If you see a leak, tighten clamps and bolts incrementally. If persistent, remove and reseat the gasket to correct alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.